Hello friends, now today we are going to do the exercise. This exercise is very lengthy, so I am going to show you in the textbook only, so you people will have no queries afterwards. So first question, answer the following question in brief, page number 63, right? Now this answer, which ideals are stated in the preamble of Indian Constitution? That is on number page 58. Now page number 58, preamble, pillars of the preamble, you can see this is the word inscribed in the preamble from here till this. This is the pillars, or you can say the ideals. They are also known as ideals of the preamble. So this is the answer on page number 58. Answer 1. Question 1, answer 1. Now what is adult suffrage? What is adult suffrage is on page number 59. So you can see page number 59, third paragraph. Adult suffrage means the citizen above 18 years of age till the electoral list. This is question 1.2. This is the answer of this. Now the third one is Indian Constitution is a federal. Discuss, right? So this is the federal state. It has been given in every question. So it's an answer on page number 60, right? And the point is question 4, right? So India, here you have to write down, you have not to write down the whole thing. You have to write down India is a union of the states. From here you have to start till the federal government. Here till here you have to write down. So this is question 1.3 answer. This is the answer of the question 1.3. Now the fourth one is state the characteristics of parliamentary government. So state the characteristics of parliamentary government. That is on page number 61. And this question 6, what is parliamentary government? The whole answer you have to write down, but you have to write down in a point that you have to make by yourself. India has a parliamentary state of government. Then the parliamentary is means the two houses. You have to make point. See, I have already made these points in it. So this all are the points which you have to make from this. At least 7 to 8 points you can make till you have to write down Rajya Sabha. So this is what the parliamentary system is. So this is the answer of question 1.4, right? Now the fifth one is what is unified judicial system? What is unified judicial system? Given on the next topic only, independent and impartial judicial system. From here you have to write down till you are here you have to write down. This is what the unified judicial system, page number 61, question point number 7, and this is a question 1.5 answer. The next is explain the provisions for constitutional amendments. Means what are the provisions has been kept, right? That has been already here given on page number 62. See here you on page number 62 you can see the amendments for the, so you have to write down from here. This is from here all the 3 points you have to add, right? So this is what the constitutional amendments, right? So that till here you have to write down. So this is what, this is a question 1.6 answer. Question 1.6 answer. Okay, till here to here all the 3 points you have to add, right? Political equality is incomplete without social and economic equality, right? So this is not a point, it is added, it is a statement on page number 59. So we will go to page number 59, right? And we have to find out where this answer has been given. So let's go to page number 59. See, Here you can see in a question socialistic में the principle of socialistic pattern directs social, economic and political equality. So this is the answer. From here it starts until here. This is the answer of question 1.7. Right? Got it? In page number 59 for topic socialistic, this is the answer till here. This has been given. Or here also given, which brought social and economic equality and further the aim of welfare state. Now the next question, question 2, explain the statement. Preamble is an extract of Indian Constitution. That has been given on page number 57. Let's go to page number 57. Right? So here, from here it has been started, or you can say page number 56. Preamble is the core of an important part of Constitution. Now you have to turn the page. On page number 58, it is still here. This is a question 2.1 answer. This is preamble. Now the next is preamble is the key to understanding of the amendments of the Constitution. Right? This has been given on the page number 58. See, here it has been given. Page number, preamble verbalize the fundamental objectives, constitution ideas. Preamble straightway give a rule of welfare, constitution and framers psych. So this is what the answer of question 2.2 on page number 58. Okay, the third is also a very important question. Preamble serves as a compass on page number 58 only. Page number 58. See, you can see here the whole answer. This is the whole answer. The preamble is a soul of Constitution, right? Then preamble plays an important role. Preamble is a useful tool to avoid the trouble, right? So that is the reason preamble serves as a compass to understand the provision of constitutional law. So this is question 2.3 answer. Now the fourth one is Indian Constitution is the inclusion of federal unitary. This is on page number 60. Again it has come. Here it has already been given. This is about the federal structure. You have to again, this is, you have to write down the whole answer of question 2.4. This is the whole answer you have to find out and you have to write down. Okay. Now the next one is India is a secular country. Right? India is a secular country. All again on page number what I'll say, page number 62. This question 10 point. This is a India is a secular country, and this is what question 2.5. This is a question 2.5. India is a democratic republic country. India is a democratic and republic country. So it is on page number 58. It's in the beginning only. Sorry, page number 56. It is on page number 56. See, here it has written India was declared as a republic nation. So from here you have to start till here you have to write. Right? So what is the question? India is a democratic republic country. Question 2.6. Then India is a integral and indivisible federation. Indivisible federation means it is divided into many parts. It's here it has been given. Indivisible federation. These are the union list, state list and concurrent list, right? This all has been given. So you have to include this and you have to write down about the central was a strong federal structure. So this is what the question 2.7. Then The next is Constitution of India is the most extensive and detailed written document in the world. It is on page number 60.2. Page number 60, size of the Constitution. Right? This is what the answer, question 2.8. This is the whole answer you have to write down. Okay, how it is very, detailed work that has been done. Question 2.8. Now, dual citizenship. Dual citizenship is given on page number 60. Page number 60. See, here single citizenship given. Here the whole idea of dual citizenship also has been given. This is dual citizenship. Now we don't have, but still if you have to write down, this is a dual citizenship. In America, dual citizenship is given. So this is question 3.1 answer. Now the next is parliamentary system. So parliamentary system, again question 3.2. This you have to write down the whole short note. Write down. Then responsible government, page number 58. See, here it has been given responsible government. You can see here you have to write down the whole. In democratic se leke here till here you have to write down the whole. So this is question 3.3, right? Then union list, here it has been given on page number 60.1. This is what about the whole union list you have to write down. Okay, then state list, below that this is a question 3.4. This is question 3.5, right? Then concurrent list, question 3.6 on page number 60 only. Then residuary power, that has been given here. This all are the residuary power. Question 3.7, page number 61. Socialist, page number 59. This is what the whole socialist all about. Question what it is? Question 3.8. That you have to write down the whole socialist definition. Then judicial review, right? Judicial review is given over here, page number 62.11. This is judicial review. This is the whole answer. Question 3.9. Okay, and question democracy. What democracy means? So that is in the beginning only. What is the meaning of democracy, right? So here the whole democracy meaning has been given, page number 58, first and second paragraph of a democracy point 1. So this is the answer, right? So question 3.10. So this is what the whole you have to do by yourself only, right? Now we are going to do the test. We are going for the test of these 3 chapters, right? And I am going to ask most probably from the worksheet only. So kindly thoroughly do the worksheet and go through the whole textbook. So it will be easier for you.